What we've been thinking about for a long time is, what would a laser cutter for education and creativity look like? Is it possible to create any design we want and cut it out at the push of a button? If we could apply cutting-edge technology, such as computer-assisted graphics and AI-based computer vision, to laser cutting, so that it could be smart and safe to use, even for kids, what would it look like? Laserbox AI makes creativity easy. Draw a design, put in the material, and press the button. That's all you need to do. Laserbox automatically identifies the material, eliminating the need for manually setting parameters or adjusting focus. If you have more complex ideas, Laserbox software will be your right-hand man. You can design using professional drawing tools. The graphic interface allows you to visually resize the designs and place them anywhere you like. A delicate paper cut lamp, a 3D engraved calendar, and even a line tracking car. Laserbox can create all your ideas. In combination with the intelligent image extraction feature, you can take out designs from any surface for new creations. Laserbox is not only smart, but also safe to use. The safety shutoff feature stops all operations whenever the cover is open, making Laserbox a creative tool that is safe for children. Intelligent, safe, brings sketch to life. This is Laserbox, a desktop smart laser cutter that is available to all.